Making a frame for mirror. Make sure you tape the cut edges before you actually use the saw for a clear cut. Wear safety glasses and mask. After it's cut to size, I sand 3 edges, like this side and then this side and also this side. So I sand 3 sides except the side that's going to be glued onto the mirror, and I used 100 grit sandpaper. I stain 3 sides with the red oak stain. I tried the gel stain before. Gel stain is too thick, so if you're like me, not very good at staining, just use the regular one, don't use the gel. I let it sit for about 10 minutes before wipe it off. I wipe off the stain. I'm gonna let it dry overnight before put a coat of either polythene. Spray 2 coats of clear satin either polythene. I glue on this side first, and then make sure all sides are aligned, and then I am going to glue on the other side. I put the glue on first. The glues, I just kind of put a bunch of dots in the pattern. I did not realize this reflection like from the bottom of the board. So when I stain it, I did not stain overlap area. So this two already glue on, so I cannot do anything with it. For the other 2 sides, I just stain a little bit over at the bottom right here. So hopefully when I glue the other 2 sides on, there's no reflection of the real pine color. I only have 4 clamps, so I use some of the binder clips to hold the board to the mirror together while the glue is drying. You can frame the back as well. I did not frame. I think that's good enough for me. I just taped the 4 corners with the masking tape. All the 4 edges are a little bit sharp, so just in case you're moving the mirror around, you might get a cut. So I just tape the 4 corners, and that's it.